your deck ready for the warmer months and protect it from the elements. One of the simplest things you can do is keep the deck clean. Regularly sweep away leaves, twigs, and other debris that can encourage mold growth. Once a year, go in with a special deck cleaner. Use a pressure washer or a deck brush to scrub through tough stains. Protect your deck from the sun with a fresh coat of stain. The color stain you choose depends on the condition of the wood and the look you're going for. Clear deck stain lets the natural wood grain show through. Light shades like semi-transparent stains enhance the wood grain and reduce the amount of heat the deck absorbs from the sun. This protects the deck and your feet from the heat. Dark shades like solid or semi-solid stains create a dramatic look. It can also help hide blemishes in the wood, but needs to be applied more often since it can fade over time. Most deck stains protect against UV rays and act as a sealer to protect the wood from water damage. Another thing you can do to protect your deck is to add shade. Things like a retractable awning, shade sails, or pergolas will add function and style to your wood deck. Keep your deck clean and maintained, and it will look brand new for years to come.